Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 3 best car ramp. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3, we have the Discount Ramps ML1066 Sports Car Lift Service Ramp. Are you searching out the remaining car lift service ramp? Don't appearance in addition, as the Discount Ramps offer the exceptional provider. They function a narrow design measuring 11.5 degree loading attitude and 66 inches for an extra comfy operating area. Specifically, it's far designed for low-profile vans in addition to sports activities motors. It has earned a recognition because the quality device for elevating automobiles and showrooms and maintenance. With approximately 7 inches low floor clearance, you'll in no way face any drawback while solving the under of your car. It gives the high quality grip to maintain your automobile into area, thanks to the 16 inches wheel structures and incorporated wheel stops. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 2. We have the Discount Ramp 6009 V2 Plastic Car Service Ramp. Down the list in our top exceptional car ramps, Discount Ramp 6009 V2 showcases exciting features that make it a sure vehicle service tool. The package consists of a couple of low-profile automobile ramps. Featuring a honeycomb fashion, these ramps are uniquely engineered for low-profile sports activities vehicles. This explains why it is built to house a maximum weight capability of 4,400 pounds. The honeycomb fashion additionally contributes toward the prevention of moisture built up in the long time. Dimension-wise, this ramp loads at 9.05 degrees at an elevation top of 275 inches. On the opposite hand, the ramps consist of a tire stop ends and a wheel groove to save you the car from skidding out of the platform. And finally at number 1. We have the Race Ramps RR56 56 inches car ramp. Sensitive jobs for low-profile automobiles require dependable car ramps consisting of the Race Ramps. These function a completely unique design that will help you lift your car up 8 inches up and a gradient of 10.75 tears. This gives strong stability while you are placing your automobile for the show, converting the oil or some other hobby that calls for accessibility of the underneath of the car. The decreased rise and small size give the ramps extended portability, so you most effective require to put the ramps in the trunk, and you may be equipped to go. Besides, they have straps for clean storage and sporting. They weigh simply 10 kilos and for this reason are easy to hold and won't cause any wreck on your floors. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this car ramp, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.